ang career siya walang iba.
Thank you.
Grabe naman. Grabe ang katawan. Oo. Si Emma pa ba to? Grabe, Emma. Sayawin lang. Ito.
If you
Yes.
have 3 words to describe Reina Filipinas,
Uy,
the
3
organization,
words.
what are those 3 words?
The organization, productive, amazing, and united.
Looking back 5 years ago, let's say,
Uy.
did you thought,
2021?
did you think na you're going to lead an organization such as Reina Filipinas?
No, never, ever. And I am really grateful that Jojo and Papa Nawat gave me this opportunity to help girls. Kasi like what I've said before doon sa press conference ng Reina Filipinas, alam ko kung paano yung pinagdadaanan ng candidate. Parang ladder siya sa akin eh. I've started in school, to barangays, to municipality, to nationals and international. So, alam ko kung gaano kahirap abutin yung pangarap. Pero kapag merong mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo na willing kang suportahan, hindi ka mahihirapan abutin kung ano man yung gusto mong abutin na pangarap.
So 5 years from now naman, you see yourself still helping to mold younger Filipino women?
National director or not, I will still be helping Filipinas who want to represent the Philippines in international stage.
What are the qualities that you're looking for the next?
The authentic one. Because I want their story na yun talaga yung makita nila sa international stage. I think yun din naman yung nakita sa akin ng MGI with my background and the personality-wise na walang pretension, hindi nagpe-pretend, happy lang with everything positive and being Filipina. Alam mo yung Filipina na palaban talaga na kahit sinong iharap mo dyan, pupuksain niya. Ganun yung hinahanap namin for this Reina Filipinas.
And we can see your relationship with Papa Nawat online and even off cam. I mean, how is the influence that he has shared or he has given you in terms of as a beauty queen, for your career?
A lot of wisdom yung makikita mo kay Papa and calling him Papa Nawat, talagang tumatayo siya bilang papa sa amin, bilang father sa amin na nag-guide sa amin, may mga advice na binibigay, not just sa life eh, parang pati nga business nag-guide na rin talaga siya, which is doon naman talaga siya magaling. And I just love the MGI organization kasi sa ibang travel ko ako lang talaga mag-isa and hindi naman nila ako pinapabayaan, lagi naman nila ako mini-message and gina-guide for that.
So, dun sa Thailand, nagkausap kayo ni Michelle D. And na-bring up na, she plans to join. Have you had any recent conversations with her about,
Tinatanong ko siya lagi. Actually, dun sa podcast na Final Answer, tinanong ko din siya niyan kung gusto pa niyang sumali ulit. Sabi niya, she would love to join again. Pero hindi pa niya alam kasi sa mga contracts yata. So, let's see kung sasali ba siya or hindi. Kung kailan.
Ayaw na namin magtanong.
Mahal ko kayong lahat!
Ayaw na namin magtanong.
Love.
Love. Ayan.
Basta all in all, I am grateful for everyone, lahat-lahat po. Kasi I will not be in this position kung hindi dahil sa mga tao talaga na nakapaligid sa akin na tumulong from the very start. I am just grateful po sa lahat ng tao, each and every one of them. I am not just claiming it on my own kasi I will not be the woman I am today. I am not going to be the Miss Grand International, kundi sa mga taong tumulong sa akin from school, from my family, from friends, from teams, from different organizations. Diba? Kaya maraming salamat po. I don't own anything. This thing is just a borrowed. Kaya lahat inaangat ko kay God. I think God is just using me as an instrument to help other people also.
Sorry, konting kurot lang po. Does it hurts you sa mga nangyayari at mga bali-balita po at mga lumabas po sa mga any other platforms that we have?
If you are grateful with everything, if you appreciate everything, and if you know who really you are, I think hindi ka masasaktan. You will just be thankful sa lahat ng mga naitulong sa'yo ng bawat tao.
That's my end.
Love.
Natapos na to.
Grateful.
Grateful lang po talaga ako. Thank you.
Thank you, Emma.
Yan ang sagot mula.
Ayan.
Ah.
Ako naluluha.